Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Corporal. Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Huh? A bus stop? Slow and careful.
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
Touched a nerve.
These guys might be the poachers.
Why do you say that?
They fit the description given to me by the guy.
We don't know.
What just happened?
I'm the brightest red engine on the island of Sodor.
Rosie is also...
Not to public. If the press find you, they will be like many, many bugs on you.
buddy.
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get her done.
The Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock.
Me be jumping now, man.
I'm not the only one seeing this, right?
Incoming!
Whoa,
Dus als jullie naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht.
Lightning Dragon McQueen.
I'll take care of this. Dragon style!
That road is Big Al.
Lizzie, the gal left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, Yoda?
Thanks, guys.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hello, Pace! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
Well, then race for me.
Tax!
Miss Cruz, I would be tickled pink to have you race.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto?
Correcto.
Recto.
Positively no idling. Are we clear?
Yes, right. No idling. Yes, sir.
Waiter?
Like that, folks. Francesco's lead is left in the dust.
Nice call, Peter.
I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I can't believe you're here.
Is that the world's fastest racing machine?
But you can be smarter than him.
Okay, what do I do?
I said you were in a...
Miles Axelrod in an attempt to become the first car to circumnavigate the globe without GPS.
going on, lady? All righty now, let's have us a little look.
Well, sure you can, Mac. Look, it'll be easy. I'll stay up with you.
All night?
All night.
Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. I will beat.
Trying to help you. As your sponsor, yes, but also as your friend. You're racing.
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Nobody to hang out with. I may accept the Dine & Co. folks. Oh, and the twins, of course. You know the twins, the ones that used to be your fan.
Got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars have got in their whole body.
Really? Oh,
Bet you're...
Flo took me in.